Good day, YouTube people. I'm here to try to help you change the belt from the deck. I've been seeing in the internet people doing it in different ways, and they're forever complicating their lives when it's a simple thing. It's a 1, 2, 3 situation. I'm going to show you in three simple steps. Just follow my instructions. Okay, here I go. You first take the belt off the front roller, right? Take off the belt from the right side roller. Right? Then you go over to the left side and take it off the roller. And simply, with one finger, pull the belt out. As you can see, the belt is in my hand. Now I'm going to put it back on. We took off the old one, supposedly. Now what you do is, you hold it in your hand, like if you were going to put a needle to a thread through a needle, sorry. Just like this. Now, you come down in the middle two rollers. Okay, pull it through. Okay, so that way the front roller reaches the front roller. Now you put it on the front roller. Very simple. Then you go to the left roller. Pull it through. Okay. Then, when it comes to the right roller, all you have to do is put it on. Now this belt is a lot heavier than the normal belt. As you can tell, it's a lot thicker belt that I'm putting on. 5/8. They last longer. Now I'm going to activate it without turning out the motor, of course, so you can see how tight it is. As you can tell how tight it is on the bottom. Everything's nice and tight. Okay? That's how simple it is to change a belt on a Craftsman LT1000. I hope this will help you and make your life a little more simpler. This was in 30 seconds. That's all. Thank you very much. Have a good day.